Testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beva, and today we are going to be talking about car differential. We're going to be talking about what is a car differential and what does it do. So, as we know, we're driving a car, okay? And from the engine, it gives power to the wheels to make it drive, right? But let's say you're turning and such. How does it turn? Not only the steering wheels, but the back wheels as well for additional support. So what does a differential do? It not only in a car, it could be in a truck or any four-wheeler or more, okay? And what reasons are there? Like, what is it useful for? Well, one, it gives a high torque as well, torque multiplied. And what it also does is basically it takes the power from it and gives it to two directions. Okay, but how does it work? So here in this diagram, this rough diagram, this is mostly a simple design of what a car differential is supposed to look like. Okay, so all the parts laid out are the pinion gear, which is connected to the rod connected to the engine. Then we have here the ring gear. Then these ones connected to the ring gear are the spider gear. The other two gears are the side gear. Okay, so how does it work? So when it gives engine, okay, the pinion gear rotates and it is connected to the side gear, and the side gear also rotates, okay? And when it rotates, it also connected to it are these spider gears, which are attached to the ring gear, but also the spider gears have their own axis as well, allowing them to spin on their own as well. Okay, and the side gears are connected to the wheels, hence making them forward. So let's say we move forward. We move in one direction, okay? It turns the pinion gear, okay? And it turns the side gear. It moves the spider gears as well, but it does not spin it. It has to stay straight. Almost like it's one with the ring gear, okay? And since the spider gear is connected to the side gear, it makes the wheels move. But let's say it moves like left or something like that. The first two things will happen. The pinion gear moves and the ring gear also moves. But this time the spider gear moves as well. And since let's say it moves this way, okay, clockwise. So once it moves this way, it will the side gear, when it moves this way, basically pushes this one forward to a forward direction and this one backward, hence allowing it, because in order to turn, one of them has to get more power, more speed to turn, okay? And how it does it is by this. So the spider gear will turning one of these more forward and more back, allowing this is how a car differential basically changes the speed on the wheels. And for the reverse effect, it's the opposite of it, okay? Now, also one more thing as well. The spider gear varientials can differentiate. There are mainly two of them on a regular load vehicle, such as a car, and 4 spider gears for like a heavy load vehicle, such as a truck, okay? And the specific diagram here is an open differential, which is in most cars, okay? And that's basically what a car differential, actually an open differential works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!